Hello everyone in the gardens today. This is the aftermath of the wonderful snowstorm. I'm calling it wonderful because look how beautiful everything looks. Tip for today. Our wonderful landscaping friend says, do not remove the snow on your evergreens and arborvitaes because it will break the limbs. A great tip. Also, check out my recent video that I just uploaded yesterday to get the backstory on what's going on. Today I'm going to be continuing clearing off the patio deck and talk to you folks. I wanted to show you the blue trim. I'll show you folks more on another video. So have a great day, everyone.